sitting down. Every beautiful thought's been already sung. And I guess right now here's another one. So your melody will play on and on with the best of all.
Es mejor admirarlo que grabarlo, porque no pude sacar ese video.